Episode 6, Systems Beat Stress. Welcome back to the Trident Edge podcast. My name is Mike Kilgore, Director of Sales for Trident. This show is here to give you the motivation, education, and tools to sharpen your edge in the pressure washing and paver sealing industry. Today we're talking about stress and how it's usually not the work that burns you out, it's the lack of systems. In this episode, I'll break down how simple processes for estimates, job prep, and follow-ups can take chaos out of your business and put confidence back in. By the end, you'll know how to make stress optional and consistency your advantage. For more information on Trident products, visit tridentprotects.com or call us at 866-951-4293. You ever feel like your business is running you instead of the other way around? Like every day you're putting out fires, a customer's calling for an update, a crew forgot something, your schedule's upside down, and before lunch, you're already drained. Here's the truth. It's not the work that burns you out, it's the chaos. And chaos disappears when you build systems. Let me give you an example. Fast food chains. Love them or hate them. They run like clockwork. A Big Mac tastes the same in Florida as it does in California. Why? Systems. Nobody's guessing. Everybody knows the process. But in contracting, too many businesses run on guesswork. Do we have enough sealer? Did anyone call that customer back? Who's grabbing the sand? Every time there's no system, there's stress. And stress, yeah, it costs you money. There are 3 systems every contractor needs. Estimates that sell. Don't eyeball it and throw out a random number. Build a system. Measure, calculate, present. Maybe it's a spreadsheet. Maybe it's an app. Make it consistent. Consistency builds trust. Number 2, job prep routine. Have a checklist the crew runs through every night before a job. Equipment loaded, sealer measured, safety gear packed. 10 minutes of prep saves hours of frustration. Number 3, follow-up process. After the job, don't vanish. Have a system for sending thank you texts, asking for reviews, and offering maintenance packages. It takes minutes, but it doubles your repeat and referral business. Freedom through systems. Here's what I've learned. Systems don't trap you. They free you. They free you from stress, free you from constant mistakes, and free you to focus on growth instead of damage control. Stress shows up when you're unprepared. Systems prepare you, and preparation builds confidence. So, here's the takeaway. Systems beat stress. Build simple, repeatable processes for estimates, job prep, and follow-ups, and watch how much lighter your days feel. You'll look more professional, waste less time, and run your business instead of it running you. Here's some questions to think about. Where does most of my stress come from? Lack of prep, poor communication, or no process? If I build one system this week, which one would make the biggest difference? Am I controlling my business, or is my business controlling me? Remember this. Stress isn't proof that you're working hard. It's proof that something is missing. I'm going to repeat this. Stress isn't proof that you're working hard. It's proof that something's missing. Build the system, beat the stress, and give yourself the freedom to focus on what actually grows your business. Systems create order. Order creates confidence. And confidence creates profit. Thanks for hanging out with me today on the Trident Edge podcast. I'm Mike Kilgore, and I appreciate you taking the time to sharpen your edge with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss an episode. We're here every Monday through Friday with fresh motivation, practical tips, and strategies to grow your business. Stay sharp, stay motivated, and I'll catch you on the next one.